All right, time for our special science experiment today. Are you ready?
With a wave of my hand, let the magic begin.
Open up, what's inside today? Lunchbox magic in a bright cafe. Colors popping, yum, 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 surprise. Let's pick food that makes us rise. Crunch, crunch, carrots, orange and bright green. Broccoli dancing left and right. Juicy apples, banana sweet. Healthy food gives power to your feet. Bounce, bounce, lunchbox fun. Pick the good foods, everyone. Jump, jump, feel so strong. Healthy choices all day long. Candy goes wiggle, soda goes pop. Too much sugar makes you stop. Chips go crunch but slow you down. Sleepy face turns to a frown. Carrot says zoom, apple says go. Candy says slow, oh no, no, no. Choose the foods that help you play. Run and jump all through the day. Bounce, bounce, lunchbox fun. Pick the good foods, everyone. Jump, jump, feel so strong.
Welcome back. It's time for lunch, and something special is inside. Let's see what we can make today.
I am so proud to show you this beautiful pink lunchbox. Isn't it wonderful? Wow, look inside. See how the healthy food sparkles. It's full of energy.
And apple cars, banana rockets zoom to stars. Healthy heroes save the day. Energy helps you laugh and play. Treats are tiny, just a bite. Healthy foods keep you bright. Lunchbox happy, tummy too. Good food power just for you. Open up, what's inside today? Lunchbox magic, hip, hip, hooray. Jump, jump, feel so strong. Save the day. Energy helps you laugh and play. Treats are tiny, just a bite. Healthy foods keep you bright. Lunchbox happy, tummy too.